What's up everybody, Matt Maran here for another month of stuff I saw. So I apologize, it's been about 4 months since I posted one of these videos. I expected to see a lot more bad driving over the winter here, but thankfully I didn't. So I don't have a daily commute like the average Joe, so I probably see less for that reason. And also I just didn't drive as much this winter as I usually do whenever it's warmer. So that's probably part of it, but I'm still glad nonetheless that I didn't have too many instances here with crazy drivers over the past few months. But here's a few that I did witness over the past few months. The first one here is I was going around this blind corner, and there is a driveway here, so I was taking a little slow, and sure enough, I had to slam on the brakes. That was a full ABS stop. That's why the dash cam actually flipped up a little bit, because the mount that I have is a little loose, and so it just flinged right up there, and so yeah, it shows why it's important to pay attention, because that just came out of nowhere. The next is these lifted trucks. There's more and more of them around the Pittsburgh area, and they all love leaving clouds of black smoke like this one and cutting people off and driving crazy like that guy did. So yeah, I mean, I don't have it happen too often, but just something I've been noticing more and more here in the past year or two. And then another truck driver here rolling right through a stop sign, and this one's a double whammy because right after I witnessed that, I'm just cruising along, and then you'll see this lady just pulls right out without even looking, then stops halfway out, looks, waves, and then drives off. And so yeah, just not great driving there either, but I mean, it is a parking lot. It's a little bit of a lower speed area, so I guess they're allowed to be a little more carefree, but still, it's just kind of funny. It was just one thing right after another, so not a great day, I guess, as far as driving manners go. But anyway, that's it as far as the few things. Like I said, not much this month, but anyway, let me know in the comments below what the craziest thing was that you've seen recently. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.